your WAAY 31 Storm Tracker forecast.
All right.
No.
No? Okay.
I hope that's not the case.
You know, I could use some snow about now, though. I'm ready for the cold after the summer.
That is true.
Yeah.
That is true. It's been hot over the past couple of days. We actually kind of been below average, so that's good. But again, I'd rather take the 90s over snow.
Okay.
That's just me, though. Looking over the next few days, though, we'll have a chance to see some scattered showers as well as a few embedded thunderstorms. Today, though, just dealing with some isolated rain for the rest of the afternoon and into the evening. And then going into Tuesday and Wednesday, those are going to be the days that we have the higher rain chances. By Thursday, though, just some afternoon rain, and as we head into the weekend, rain chances are going to start to decrease. Here is future radar for the rest of today, as well as going into your Tuesday. 6:30, still seeing a few isolated showers in the Tennessee Valley. As we head into the evening hours, those will start to taper off, and we'll be left with some cloud coverage. Waking up tomorrow, a few of us may have some drizzles here and there, mostly cloudy skies, but as we go further into the morning hours, 10 a.m., we'll start to see some heavy rainfall, specifically over there in Sand Mountain. That'll continue as we go throughout the day. By 3 o'clock, heading home from work and school, mostly clear skies. Some of us may have to be dealing with some isolated showers. As we head into the evening, though, we'll start to clear out once again. Heading into Wednesday, again, we'll start dry, just like what we did on Tuesday, and then those scattered showers start to come back into the forecast as we approach the lunchtime hour. Those will stick around as we're heading home from school and work. 5:30. Still seeing some pockets of some heavier rainfall, maybe a few lightning strikes and gusty winds. As we approach Wednesday night, though, it'll start to taper off once again, leaving us with some partly cloudy skies. Good news is tomorrow will still be a little bit below average. We'll be in the upper 80s, but by Wednesday back into the 90s. And look at the weekend, Saturday, 95 degrees. And with the humidity, some of us may be feeling like the triple digits once again. So definitely something we're going to be keeping our eye on. Another thing we're keeping our eye on is the tropics. It's August. Things are starting to ramp up. And new this morning, National Hurricane Center has welcomed Tropical Storm Erin. It formed off the coast of Africa, making its way across the Atlantic. By Wednesday morning, could form into our first hurricane of the 2025 Atlantic season. Now take a look at this. National Hurricane Center already predicting that it could be a major hurricane as we get closer to Saturday. So definitely something we're keeping our eyes on. A little bit too far out to know for sure if we're going to have any impacts in the United States or not. So make sure you're checking back in for details as we get further into the work week as well as next weekend. Another areas that we're looking at in the tropics right now are these two yellow shaded regions that only have a 10% chance of formation within the next 7 days and 48 hours. Not looking like it's going to have any impacts on the United States, so definitely not what we are worrying about right now. This evening, though, temperatures in the mid-80s, eventually falling into the low 80s by 9 p.m., keeping those chances to see a few isolated showers in the early evening hours. Overnight lows will be comfortable in those low to mid-70s. Now, going out to the bus stop tomorrow, we'll have mostly cloudy skies, a bit of humidity, temperatures in the mid-70s, and we can start to see some scattered rain in the forecast as we go further into the morning. And then rain chances stick with us as we finish off the work week. Good news is, though, by the weekend, those rain chances start to decrease and those temperatures will start to increase back into the mid-90s. So just got to get through the rain for the next few days, and it looks like we're going to have another comfortable weekend waiting for us.
You know, and today has felt more comfortable than
has.
it's been, just with the cloud cover and whatnot.
Yeah, it's been a nice break.
All right, coming up, Dunkin' Donuts.